Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix always on display not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. After click on lock screen and always on display, if you want to fix this problem, so turn on always on display button. After turn on always on display, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, click on do not disturb and turn on do not disturb mode. After turn on do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix always on display not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.